It's a Thursday night and you're scrolling how I made $5,000 a month with ChatGPT videos. There's 20 of them on your page right now. Core sellers are selling Lambo thumbnails with unverifiable Twitter screenshots. You're probably thinking, show me a public Gumroad page. Show me one real working adult with a number you can pull up on your phone right now. And that's exactly what this video is. 5 real ways to make money with ChatGPT in 2026. Every one of them has a public number or a public category I can point you to. There are 5 ways I'll walk you through. They start at just $17. For 4 out of the 5, you can have your first real dollar in the door within 30 days. And number 2 is the one I'd actually start with this weekend. If you came here for a Twitter screenshot of a guy holding a Lambo key, you can close this tab. You won't see Twitter screenshots or Lambos in this video. Every number in this video is on a page you can pull up on your phone right now. Public Gumroad sales counters and public Fiverr order counts. And yeah, I know, I'm about to spend this whole video telling you the AI you've been using for free is actually how you can make money with it. But hang on for a second, because the working adult in front of the screen has been using ChatGPT at work for free for the past year. What matters isn't the tool. The tool is the same everybody has. What matters is what you do with the prompts you already typed in 20 times this month at your day job. Way number 1 is build a list of custom GPTs on the GPT store. It needs to be niche specific though. It needs to solve a recurring task that a specific category of users perform every week. For example, a marketplace listing optimizer for print-on-demand sellers, or a risk snapshot drafter for insurance underwriters, or even a shift handout note template for ICU nurses. Pick one category, build the GPT ones, and that's it. And take a look at this. That's the public GPT store right now. ChatGPT.com/GPT. The top builder list is publicly available. Here are a few categories with proven traction: writing assistants, coding helpers, and niche analysts. And pull up Gilmore. It's the top creative coding GPT on the public store right now. They're a real working builder with a real listing you can pull up on your phone tonight. And here are the numbers for method 1. OpenAI launched a revenue sharing program for top GPTs in 2024. OpenAI bases payouts on usage. The top tier builders on the store earn between $500 and $7,000 per month through that program. You can pull up the actual numbers. Creators have discussed them on Reddit, and OpenAI shared them at its dev day back in 2024. The biggest drawback is that most custom GPTs make zero from the revenue share program. The pay only kicks in if you're in the top 1% of the store. The best way to use the custom GPT store is to build a custom GPT to drive traffic to an owned product. The GPT is the lead magnet. The Gumroad listing is the income. If the revenue share triggers, that's a bonus. The Gumroad listing is what you build the math on. And here's a quick check before we go further. And what's the ChatGPT prompt you've already typed in 20 times this month at your day job? Drop it in the comments. It could be one word, one sentence, or the prompt you keep copying out of the same conversation because it works and you don't want to rebuild it. I read every one of these and they tell me what video to make next. But hold on for a second. It was December 26, 2022, the day after Christmas. I uploaded a video called I Tried It, earned $7 every 60 seconds. I've been making make money online tutorials for a year and pulling just 50 views a video. But this one was different. I tested a method that didn't work and I said so on camera. That single video has done 1.2 million views. It has brought in over 30,000 subscribers and paid out around $21,000 in AdSense revenue. The part that matters for tonight is 9.4 million impressions, 9.9 click-through rate, and 72.7% of the views came from people searching make money online. That's called search intent. People typing what they want. The exact same setup as someone typing ChatGPT prompt pack for real estate agents in Gumroad. Find where people enter their problem and show up there. 3 things you're already thinking. You're thinking, I'm not a developer. This doesn't apply to me. Or I don't have an audience to sell to. Or everyone is already using ChatGPT already and I'm too late. You've heard those reasons in your head hundreds of times. Each one of those is real. I'm not going to tell you they're wrong. They're the reason every other 5 ways to make money with ChatGPT video didn't land the way you needed it to. The 3 things they're missing is the prompts you've been typing in at work over the past year are the asset. The prompts you've refined at your day job, the way you've learned to coax it into formatting the kind of thing your industry needs, the workarounds you found when it kept giving you the wrong answer, that's the asset. The skill you stopped seeing as a skill is the one. That's the one you should be selling. Next Thursday, if you don't act on one of these methods, you'll spend another night opening How I Made 5K with ChatGPT videos and closing them at 9:47, having learned absolutely nothing. You'll spend another quarter telling yourself you're too late to AI. You'll spend another year using ChatGPT every day at work for free and watching strangers on Gumroad charge $20 for prompt packs you already have on your laptop. Method number 2, and the one I'd start this weekend. Sell a prompt pack on Gumroad and charge between $9 and $17. The already prompts you use on ChatGPT for your day job. And here's what you're going to do. You open your ChatGPT history right now and scroll. You're looking for the prompts you've reused, the ones you've copied into 3 different conversations because they kept working. For example, the email draft prompt, the meeting summary prompt, or even the spreadsheet cleanup prompt, the thing you've typed in 20 times. Strip the company-specific names, strip the internal codes, but keep the universal framework. Bundle 10 or 15 of them into a PDF, title the listing with the problem they're searching for. For example, prompt pack for real estate agents or 12 ChatGPT prompts for listing descriptions in your voice. Here's a real example. Riley Brown sells an AI prompt pack on Gumroad. Go to riley.gumroad.com. You can pull it up on your phone. There is a live sales counter on his listing. Riley is a real working creator with a real public number. The numbers run like this. $17 times 30 sales a month is $510. 200 sales a month is $3,400. You earn more when you create more prompt packs. But here's the biggest drawback. Gumroad does not have a built-in search the way other marketplaces do. You will need to go where your buyers are already hanging out. That could be on TikTok, LinkedIn, or a forum for your niche. And to make sales, do this. Show up consistently, answer questions, and solve problems. After people have seen you help them 3 or 4 times, they'll buy it from you. And after that, you email the list and they keep coming back. It's a real trade-off, but owning the customer is worth it. Way 3 is next. While I walk you through it, the worksheet I'm building with you tonight is at notes.platformproof.com. Drop your email if you want it sent over while we keep going. The same email opens every other worksheet for this channel too. And hold on a second. Before that $21,000 video, the first time I had ever made real money online was $130 in about 12 hours. I just watched a Franklin Hatchett video about answering questions on Quora with a Bluehost affiliate link. I answered 7 questions about people wanting to start a website. But by lunch, Quora had taken 2 of them down for violating their affiliate link policy. By the time I got home from work that evening, Quora had taken 2 more down. And 2 of those questions had triggered Bluehost commission emails. That's how I made $130 from a tool I'd already had open in another tab. This is the same idea. Find one task that one type of person does every week and build the tool for that. I was the same as you, probably sitting on a prompt list you already use at ChatGPT every day at work and not seeing it as an asset. Notice what you already do. The skill is what you sell. Way number 3, sell DALL-E image generation as a productized service. ChatGPT Plus comes with DALL-E built right in. The image generation that small business owners, social media managers, real estate agents, and marketplace sellers pay between $25 and $75 per gig for right now on Fiverr. You can pull this page up for yourself. It's a public Fiverr DALL-E gig category. It's at fiverr.com/categories/graphics design/AI artist. The top seller has 1,400 completed orders at an average price of $40. You can package it as a service with a fixed price and a fixed turnaround time. That's what a product service is. It's a service sold like a product with the same product every time. Then pick the niche you'll sell it to. For example, I generate real estate listing photos for Phoenix area agents, or I make product mock-up images for print-on-demand sellers. Niche gigs beat generic gigs every single time. And here's the math. 4 gigs a week at an average of $40 is $640 a month part-time. 10 gigs a week is $1,600 a month. The drawback here is that some Fiverr DALL-E sellers compete on volume. They're willing to sell 50 images for just $20. That becomes a race to the bottom. The working adult here competes on judgment plus niche, not on volume. The buyer who needs Phoenix real estate listing photos isn't looking for 50 generic AI images. They're looking for a person who understands the listing. The card on the top right is the Claude AI version of this video. 5 ways to make money with Claude AI in 2026. It's the same kind of breakdown with a different tool, a different lane, and 5 different ways. Watch it when you finish this one. Seeing the same idea on a different tool helps you figure out which lane fits your skill stack better. Way number 4 is to sell ChatGPT voice mode as a productized note taker. Coaches, consultants, podcasters, small firm lawyers, and freelance journalists all have hours of recorded audio they need someone to transcribe and summarize. Right now, they're paying transcription services between $30 and $100 per recorded hour, or they're doing it themselves poorly at midnight. You can sell a productized package including 3 deliverables per hour of audio. It can include a clean transcript, 3 key insights pulled from the audio, and a 1-page summary. You could charge $50 for every hour of audio you process. On the left is a manual transcription, 4 hours per hour of audio. And on the right is ChatGPT voice mode, 15 minutes per hour of audio, plus your judgment on the summary. You save the customer hours of work, and they keep coming back. Here are the numbers. 5 hours of audio a week at $50 an hour is $250 a week. That's $1,000 a month part-time. And the best part is you keep the client list and you can repeat bill the same coaches and lawyers every week. The drawback here is that ChatGPT voice mode has a usage cap on the plus tier. If you go above 10 hours of audio per week, you'll need to upgrade to the team tier at $25 per month or use the API directly. The math still works, just budget for the tool upgrade for more than 10 hours a week. If you wait, here's the cost. Every month you keep using ChatGPT at work for free, somebody on Gumroad ships the prompt pack you already have on your laptop and pockets the money you didn't make. The hardest part is accepting that the work you've already done counts. You don't need developer skills, an audience, or even perfect timing. Riley Brown isn't a developer. He sells prompt packs on Gumroad. His sales counter is public. The 1,400 order Fiverr Dolly seller isn't a developer. They're a person who picked a niche and ran ChatGPT image generation as a productized service for a year. The gurus made ChatGPT income mean build an AI agent or launch a SaaS because viewers click those videos first. Both are real, but both are also really hard. The play the working adult is missing is the one that doesn't require developer skills. It's the prompts already on your laptop, packaged once, listed on the right platform, with one person who needs them seeing the page. Way number 5 is to sell a ChatGPT powered Etsy SEO service. You are not opening an Etsy shop. And let me say that again. You're not opening an Etsy shop. You are selling a service to Etsy sellers. That seller is the client, ChatGPT is the tool. Your service is the deliverable. And here's the part that ties back to Monday's video. Lauren's process showed you the marketplace owns the customer list. This way flips that. You are not selling on the marketplace, you are selling to the sellers stuck inside it. It's the same insight, just the opposite side of the table. Here's the gig, $50 for 10 listings. You could include the title, description, and 13 tags for each, optimized for the keyword the client tells you. You feed the client's keyword into ChatGPT with a structured prompt, and it drafts 20 descriptions in an hour. ChatGPT drafts the descriptions, you edit them, and then ship them. Check the screen. That's the public Fiverr Etsy SEO page. It's at fiverr.com/categories/online marketing/sim services/Etsy. The top sellers there have over 1,000 completed orders. Here are the numbers for this one. 10 clients a week at $50 is $500 a week. That's $2,000 a month. You can scale it as you build a portfolio and repeat clients. The drawback here is the Fiverr category is saturated. The generic I do it gigs get ignored. You break in by niching. I do this for handmade jewelry sellers or for digital download sellers. Niche specific beats generic every time, same as way number 3. If you want the exact steps for the prompts you already use process, how to pick which prompts to package, how to ship them, and how to write the Gumroad listing so strangers searching the problem find it, that's all inside of Offer Engine. It's just $17 and it's the second link in the description. So here's what to do next. It's not about learning ChatGPT, building an AI agent, or launching a SaaS. You already use the tool. Package the prompts you already typed 20 times this month at your day job. Strip the company-specific names, list the pack on Gumroad with the problem they're searching for in the title. Find where your customers are already hanging out, and that could be on Pinterest, Instagram, or even TikTok. Be helpful by answering questions and solving problems. That's it. That's the entire process. You don't need a course or an audience or to quit your day job. The answer to making money with ChatGPT is a Gumroad listing and a prompt pack you already wrote at your work last Thursday. I know it sounds crazy, but the public Gumroad sales counters are real and the public Fiverr order counts are real, and the math on way 2 is on the screen tonight. Now, you walked in scrolling how I made 5K with ChatGPT videos at 9:47 p.m. You walk out with 5 ways, 5 public sources you can verify on your phone tonight, and 1 prompt list to package this weekend. You walk out knowing the AI you've already been using is enough, that the skill is what you package, that you don't need to be a developer, have an audience, or a course. You walk out knowing the Twitter screenshot people are not the only people making money with this tool. There are real working adults with public Gumroad pages and public Fiverr leaderboards are doing it without ever holding a Lambo key. Now, if you've made it this far, you are who I built this channel for. My goal with Platform Proof is to help 1 million working adults make their first $3,000 online with the skills they already have. If you want the Claude AI version of this video, the link is in the description and it's also on the screen right now. Comment Proof Builder if you stayed until the end, and you're going to make your first $3,000 with the skills you already have. Now go build the damn thing.